Hola, niños, el imperfecto. You guys are going to love this. It's something different. It is not the preterite. It is the imperfect tense.
Nothing's perfect. But this one is almost perfect because
it's different.
Easy.
And it's
so
easy.
You're going to love it until we get to next chapter. So here we go. The imperfect tense is an additional way to talk about the past. So we've already done the preterite. And those, we're going to talk next chapter about the difference between them. But just know that this is another way, and it typically means used to. So Rafael patinaba y Mónica corría. He used to skate and Mónica used to run.
So here you have the regular AR endings.
Here are the regular ER and IR endings, and you're like, whoa, she's going too fast. Give us a second.
So easy. Okay, so here's a bailar, and you'll see the AR endings.
Pause. This is on the back side of your preterite sheet, just in case you weren't aware.
So you're going to want to write these down.
Yes. Okay, now you can go. Sorry.
Okay. Yo bailaba, tú bailabas, él, ella, usted bailaba, nosotros bailábamos. Notice the accent on the A in habamos, bailabais, bailaban. So these are the AR endings, aba, abas, aba, habamos, and aban. Don't forget that.
And they're fun to say, practice. Now we have comer. ER and IR are exactly the same in the imperfect. We have comía, comías, comía, comíamos, comíais, comían. Vivía, vivías, vivía, you get the point. So if you notice, the endings are ia, ias, ia, íamos, iais, ian. So if you know that AR has the aba, ER and IR have the ia, and then they all follow the same pattern of what you add to the end.
Yes, and accents on all of those I's in the endings. Don't forget those when you copy these down.
Right, so the key is AR verbs only have the accent in nosotros. ER and IR have them in every single form.
So that's it. Those are your AR endings and your ER and IR endings. So easy, kids, okay?
Gosh, this is almost fun, but do you think there's any irregulars?
Well, here's the good news. There are only 3.
That is good news. So first of all, talking about when to use this, when you see expressions like generalmente, por lo general, a menudo, muchas veces, de vez en cuando, todos los días, and nunca, they cue you in to use the imperfect because those are things that happened habitually in the past. So we're going to be focusing on that for the theme of our chapter.
Yeah, we're going to talk about when we were kids and what we used to do, things we did over and over again. It's going to be fun.
This is fun.
Oh, cool. Look here's one of our regular verbs. It's ir. Iba, ibas, iba, ibamos, ibais, iban. Notice the accent on the I in ibamos.
Right. So once you know the yo form, the rest seem to follow a pattern, but ir is once again irregular, like usual.
You just have to memorize these.
Yep, this one should also be written on your sheet. Now we have ser. Ser becomes era, eras, era, éramos, erais, eran. Once again, there's a nosotros accent on éramos on the E.
Okay, kids, here's your last irregular imperfect verb. It is the verb ver. Veía, veías, veía, veíamos, veíais, and veían. Notice we've got accents on all of those I's and all of the forms again.
Why is it considered an irregular? It doesn't look very regular. It looks like an ER verb.
Well, I do know the answer to that question, Melissa. If you were to take the ER off and then add ia, ias, ia, iamos, and ian, it wouldn't look like this, right?
You're right, it would be via, and that's wrong.
Yeah.
So we keep the E. That's the only thing irregular.
Yeah, it's easy. You guys are going to ace this. Huh. Oh, there's Miss Dupleton when she was a kid.
Oh, that was my high school picture.
What a nerd.
Jugaba Metroid en la Atari.
Oh, Atari. You guys probably don't even know what that is.
I still have one.
I had one.
I still do. I'll bring it in. Adios!